You've probably noticed in our study of John that in John chapter 14, 15, and 16, practically speaking, you learn more about the Holy Spirit than probably any 3 chapters in the Bible. This is Christ. It's right before His high priestly prayer. It's very, very close to the crucifixion, and Christ is really seeking to encourage the disciples and excite them about the work that the Spirit is going to do on their behalf. Remember that He is teaching them that the Spirit who was once with them is now going to be in them. And He was going to be in them because when Christ ascended to the right hand of the Father at Acts chapter 2 at Pentecost, Christ poured forth the Spirit to live within all believers who trust Him for their salvation. So in John chapter 15 verse 26 and 27 it says this, "But when the Helper comes," and the Helper is the Spirit, "whom I will send to you from the Father, the Spirit of truth, who proceeds from the Father, He will bear witness about me. And you will also bear witness because you have been with me from the beginning." Now, it tells you something very, very key about the Spirit here. He said, the Spirit will bear witness about me. Now, notice He doesn't say that the Spirit is going to give testimony to Himself. That's not the Spirit's job. The Spirit's job is to bear witness about Jesus Christ. Remember, you and I have been called to be witnesses. In Acts 1:8, Christ said, you will receive power from on high, and you will be my witnesses in both Judea, Samaria, and even to the uttermost parts of the earth. It is the Spirit who enables us to witness for Christ. So here's what you can know today. Number one, the Spirit's job is not to bring glory to Himself. The Spirit's job is to reflect that glory and lift up the name of Christ. The Spirit's job is not to bring glory to you. As a matter of fact, you can know that the Spirit is not working in your life when you were growing in pride, when you were growing in your view of yourself. That's not the Spirit, that's you. But the Spirit is at work in your life when you are giving testimony to the work that Christ has done, when you are giving testimony to the finished work of Christ. Anytime you find yourself talking the Scriptures with another person or speaking the gospel to another person and giving testimony to Jesus Christ, you can know beyond a shadow of a doubt that you have just been filled with the Spirit.